Thank you very much for inviting me. But let me start by saying this. Every one of the speakers came and introduced the hat that they are putting on, I guess in their order of priority. My order of priority is that I'm a feminist. And because I'm a feminist, I don't like getting into a space where I deliberately put myself up to abuse. I come into a space that I choose to engage and engage respectfully. And I think I said that to the organizers, that if I am going to be coming to engage, I am not bothered about the difference of opinions, but I demand to be treated with respect and dignity. If it is not possible, it is fine, I walk. So that is my first point. That is my first point.
Let's have order. Let's have order.
It is fine. That is fine. And you can take, if the general view is that we sit here to be abused, that is
I'm sorry, my citizen. My citizen. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Order to consider the conversation. I want to order. Teacher conversation. Thank you very much. So I think it's very clear. Let's allow the honorable member to speak. Yes, thank you very much.
Dr. Maduku started from the point of a history in terms of
hello? I'm sorry. Let's be let's sit down. Oh, let's be back. Thank you. We understand the issues of the constitution, emotional issues.
No, it's not about the constitution actually. It's about misogyny, it's about patriarchy, it's about sexism. I refuse. It is not about the constitution. It is actually said that we are sitting here as a group of people and purporting to want to be democratic, and yet in our whole hearts we are mobocracy, we are psycho, we are
comrades. Can we sit down? Can we sit down? I'm sorry, Sorry, my comrade. Sorry. Let's try and all settle down, okay? Let's all settle down. All right. Thank you, comrade. Thank you. Right. My comrades, hello. Hey. Sorry. Kubego, please. What about Frankana? Comrade, Chimomira. Aiwa, comrade, come. Tunoziva, tili kupewa maorder, all right. Let me just explain one thing, please. Hey, up, please, Bafranta. Yes, I get it, but for now to take proceed in the meeting here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Hello, my comrades. Let's try to at least get through this program. I think the idea is that we cannot agree with everything that everyone is saying. No, wait. Let me finish what I'm saying, okay? Let's get through this program. We do not need to confirm the worst of behaviors. We are invited guests at this program. We respect Crisis Coalition. We respect the presenters. They have set up this program. They've allowed us to articulate ourselves. Let's behave in a manner that they will be able to continue providing these platforms. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Councillor Mafume. I told you I'm a feminist. And I want to repeat, in fact, feminism is at the center of this constitutional amendment. If you don't know that feminism is at the center of this particular amendment, then we have a problem. And this is why I started by the issue of feminism. And I wanted to go back to the issue that when Dr. Maduku speaks to a process, it is something that we need to learn from. Because when we mobilized for a constitution in 1997, it was not because we were all agreed. We had different views, which is why we had some that went to the commission, which was being organized under the auspice of the then government. Some of us decided that we were going to go with the NCA, and even within the NCA, we even had differences because we could not deal with the males that were in NCA and some of our issues, which is what gave birth to the Women's Coalition. And that's why I started on the basis of the issue that I'm a feminist. I'm a feminist because fundamentally, the reason why I disagree with some of the issues that are in this constitution is because they are taking away my right to express fully in the manner that I want to. And I will speak about that. And I'll say it that if you want to engage, we need to engage on the basis of a foundational principle. The foundational principle being that if you are going to defend the right, freedom of expression, and association, which is what is in this constitution, and which is what we want to debate here and say, is any of this stuff taking away fundamentally from the freedom of expression, then you need to give me the right to express myself. And I give you the right to express yourself. But we can't behave as if we are people that can't engage and talk. Then we might as well keep the system that is there. If that system is fundamentally wrong, it is fundamentally wrong because we are saying it has not given us an opportunity to be involved in this process. Not for us to agree with them or for them to agree with me. I want to defend the right with my blood for ZANU-PF to stand up here and defend the position that they're having. Because that's how we build a nation. We don't build a nation by creating a choir of a people. There would be absolutely no use for Heal Zimbabwe to invite us here if they thought that all the positions that were going to be put here would be the same. Then it doesn't become an intellectual discourse. Why are we sitting in here and engaging? So that is my point. Then let me, allow me. You will have an opportunity to do so. Allow me to continue. Allow me to continue. One of the things that we keep talking about, and it's okay if one wants to be ZANU-PF, it's okay, it's not a crime. Which is why some people went and congratulated Mnangagwa after the coup. So please, let's not go there. Let's not go there. Facts are sacrosanct. And I want to take on both my brother Upul around the issue that he was raising to say, but this was more of merely just the issue of parliament. Let's admit it was a real negotiation. And if we don't admit that this constitution came out of a negotiated process, we will lose the things that we want to talk about. Let's just look at the running mate, my brother Pulu. The reason why the running mate did not kick in 2013 is that it was put in our schedule of the constitution as a transitional mechanism. Precisely because there were disagreements around those issues. And I think let's be factual and let's be honest, that even as the negotiations around this constitution were happening, there were issues that were not resolved. And the reason why I'm going to that point, I'm trying to get us to say it may be dangerous, and it may be, you may not agree with this view, it may be dangerous to automatically merely say we disagree completely. Because if we do that, we lose the opportunity begin to say, what are the opportunities that are available in this space? The discussions that we've been having at Poland, for example, have been around. The discussions we've been having is that, in fact, the opportunity in here is to look at the electoral reforms. The opportunities that are available is that let's look at this as an opportunity to bring in the electoral reforms. The critical things that we are having. You have just proven one point, and I hope the media is looking at this. It would actually be very, it is the laughable what they said that we are creating a generation like this. Because you know what Zimbabwe is looking at, I hope my leaders, they never tell what side of the people are. My dear, and I'm going to take my campaign. I'm going to take my campaign, you know, pay So I was going to say, let's use the opportunity for this to be let's use the opportunity for this discussion to say to ourselves, what are the fundamental problems that this country is facing? I think we can't run away from the fact that the electoral disputes are a fundamental issue. So if we are going to have constitutional amendments, surely let them come and build up from issues that we are raising, which are electoral reform issues. And which is why I then agree with the other three presenters. We can't push for this particular amendment unless it is bringing fundamental changes to the process. If we are going to have the issue around the 50-50, I agree with jealousy. Let's change the electoral system. Let's just go for proportional representation. That way we are able to say the women, people with disability, and all the other marginalized groups can then be on the list. But most importantly, proportional representation provides for us to ask the question, should we continue with the presidential election? In my opinion, in the opinion of my colleagues in Poland, we do not need a presidential election. It has created enough problems for us. Let's get rid of it. If you look at the region, the countries that have presidential elections that are separate from constituency elections all usually have problems. Look. So the issue around fundamentally changing our electoral system, I think, is our number one point. So if this amendment is going to come back, let it be the answer to the electoral reform issues to which they have set by the problems that we have in this country. And I'm going to say thank you.
We are going to briefly have a video presentation that is just going to show some of the issues.